Hello friends, this is Amit from Smarteefi, and today we have Mr. Vipin along with us, who is founder of Core Embedded Technologies, which is the parent company of Smarteefi brand. So we do receive many queries from customers like what are the new features, what are the new things which are happening. Smarteefi as a brand has been always in touch with our customers, and we take their feedbacks very seriously, and all the updates has been done based on your feedbacks. So today we will discuss on one important update which we have launched in our Smarteefi app, which is related to notification. So today we will discuss in detail why this feature has been launched, what was the background, and how it will impact users on this. So let me ask Mr. Vipin, can you give me very brief explanation to our users also, why this feature was launched, what was the present needs, and what are the advantages of this?
Yes, thanks, Amit. So we took a feedback from our support team, what kind of issues are reported by customers and what is their expectation. So one of the prominent things that was coming is that customers wants the notifications, but they do not want all the notification, because we have now the customers who has say 5 to 10 boards easily in every home, and each board having 6 to 8 switches. So around 40-50 switches in every home is pretty normal in most of our customers now. So getting notification for each of them was difficult for managing, like so many notification coming every day. What customer wanted is that they wanted the notification on specific appliances, like they want a notification on the geyser, whether it has been the scheduled on the geyser is executed as per the scheduled time or not. He is not interested in every time light is on and off. So the limitation we had so far was that either you disable all the notification or enable not all the notification.
So all the switches notification will come, either none notification will come.
Yes, so that was the case before we launched the latest app version.
Okay.
And we decided to give the granularity on each switch level, not even on the module level, but at the switch level. So you can enable notification on each individual switch in a specific module.
Okay.
And also not only the granularity on the switch level, but also the whether you want which kind of notification you want. If you want the scheduled notifications, or you want a notification when somebody manually switches on and off, or through the app, so or through Alexa. So previously we were not capturing even the Alexa notifications or the app notifications, but now we are capturing more detailed notification, and we are giving granularity not only at the switch level, but also at the trigger type, which kind of triggers you are interested in.
So basically earlier notification was only for the manual event or schedule events.
Right.
Now
That's right.
we have added app notification also, and Alexa and Google notification also. So
Exactly.
3 new notifications are enabled now.
Exactly. So one more important thing that we try to do is that since now somebody wants to enable all the notifications and switch off all the notifications, then it's again a tedious task to do it in 50 or 80 switches, like going into each switch and enabling and disabling the notification. So what we did in the app, if you see, let me open the app. So in the app we have the notification on the switch level. So here is my bedroom light, and if I go, I see the manual, schedule, app, Alexa and G-Home as the option to enable the schedule. So if I do any changes, that will apply to this particular switch. Okay. But doing this in every switch, I have around 50 to 60 switches in my home itself: bedroom, guest room, kids room, living room, bathroom, kitchen, and 12 switches from the office also. So the issue is that if I want to disable all of them or a particular module, so going into each switch and doing these settings is a very tedious task. So what we try to implement is that, okay, instead of suppose you want to disable for entire module, so you can go to the module tabs, and in the module settings you again has the notification feature.
Okay.
So here you can enable or disable the notification on a module level. So suppose this is one of the module, which is our TS81 touch switch 8 port module. If I disable the notification here on the module level, that means it will disable
All the notifications.
notification for all of the 8 switches and all trigger types.
Okay.
Or if I enable, it will enable for all 8 switches for all trigger type.
Okay.
Similarly, someone wants to do it at a complete account level, like all the switches I have, I want to enable for all of them, or I want to disable for all of them. Then he can go to the menu settings,
Okay.
and here on the app level notification set. So here if you do the enable or disable, that will apply to all the switches in your account.
But from here we can enable or disable all the notification.
Yeah,
Here-
so suppose someone wants to say enable notification on one particular appliance. Okay, suppose he want to enable notification only on one geyser. So he can first disable at the account level.
Okay.
So all the notifications are disabled now, and I am interested only in my bedroom AC notification, or say my bedroom light. So I can go to the bedroom light notification. You see, since I disabled at the app level, everything is disabled.
Okay.
Here I can enable whatever I am interested in: manual, app, and Alexa.
So this also I can select at the module level also.
No, on the module and on the account level, you can either
Not-
disable all
okay.
or enable all.
But only on the switch level. you
On the
can-
switch level, you can decide what notifications you are interested in.
Okay.
So that was the idea, like to give the more control in the user's hand, rather than we take a decision on behalf of user whether disable all the notification for them or enable all the notification for them. So the plan was to empower the user, let him decide what notification he is interested in.
Yeah, because in support we always get some kind of queries like I only want my notification at the main entrance door, because at that time I want someone is trying to enter my home, or someone has to ring the bell, or if I am going out station, then I should enable, because then I will know okay someone has entered my house or someone is doing. But by default, if I am at home, I am using it, so I do not want this kind of notification. So I guess these things will help the users in identifying which modules to do and which time they want to do. Like if they are going outside home, they can enable. If they are inside home, they do
Exactly.
not want the notifications. So these things is already rolled out or is still in pipeline?
This is rolled out. If you have not updated the app, you can update your app to the latest version. In the latest version, you can find this feature.
And by default, everything is enabled as of now?
Yeah, by default, if you add a device, all the notification will be enabled for that device. Whatever switches are there, everything will be enabled by default. But it's up to user. He want to disable it,
So
he can
basically,
disable.
our existing users, as soon as they have update the app, so they will start getting notification of Alexa and all those things also. And if they have to disable, they have to disable from the switch.
Right.
level.
So the previously, what we used to say to the customer that if you do not want the notification, you disable from the app permissions.
Okay.
Okay. So here you give the app permission for the notification, allow it to have the notification, and then decide your granularity in the app.
Okay. So
Because the app level notification, what was happening, either it was disabling all or it was enabling all.
So any trigger is getting captured in the notification panel as of now. Is there anything specific which is still not covered or which user has to
No,
do?
there are certain things that can still be missed. Suppose device is not connected to the internet and somebody manually pressed the switch.
Okay.
So there is a manual notification, but since we do not have internet, so we cannot send that notification. So that notification will still be dropped because we do not have the buffering mechanism built into the firmware. It does not have enough memory to buffer the notifications.
Okay.
We can buffer in the cloud, but not in the device. So if the device is not connected, at that time the notification, manual notification or the schedule notification may
Everything
get
will
missed.
be there.
But idea is to capture as much as possible and give the granularity as much as possible to the user.
Okay, and some of the modules we do have, like even if guaranteed scheduled products, so even if internet is not there, schedule will be executed. So in this case also notification will be captured because schedule
Yes.
will execute, so it will be captured in the,
It will be captured.
even though it is not connected to internet.
If it's not connected, then the notification will not come, but the
But the
schedule
schedule
will
will
have
execute.
happen. It's on schedule
Okay,
time.
so
The
those are-
guaranteed schedule will be executed as per the scheduled time, though the notification will not
So
come.
notification may not come to the user. Suppose I'm not at home, but so there is no way to know whether the schedule was
Yes.
executed. So okay. So these are the some boundary condition, but
Yes.
that is only restricted to the Wi-Fi connection state.
Exactly.
Otherwise, most of the notifications.
Otherwise,
will-
if your device is connected to the cloud, all the notification which you have enabled and for particular switch, those will come.
Okay, so users, so hope this small introduction serves the purpose of notifications which we have launched, and this video is already launched on our YouTube channel. Still, if you have any queries or you want more clarification or you have any specific feedback to improvement of those things, feel free to reach to us. We will be taking up those feedbacks and trying to improve further in our further updates. Thank you.
Thank you.